Burlington city councilors have voted to sell some city-owned property to a private company.
Despite voting yes, many were not happy about it. The building, 200 Church Street, currently houses Burlington Telecom and the city's human resources and payroll departments. The group voted unanimously to approve selling the building to Champlain Broadband, Burlington Telecom's parent company. The Board of Finance unanimously approved the sale last week. All that was left was the council okay, which was given reluctantly.
It leaves me particularly unhappy. It is not going to be a vote that leaves a good taste in my mouth, but but that's part of the job, and so sometimes we have to do that.
Several councilors say they approved the deal due to a lack of options. The building needs an estimated $1.5 million for the HVAC system and another $200,000 for the roof. Councilors say making the repairs to the building were not worth it, since the city would eventually still need to sell it.
Because a lot of folks in general have been concerned over the last number of years of selling off a number of our public assets. And unfortunately, we don't have a choice at this stage because we're sort of already locked into losing this. The question is when and what's going to make the most sense financially.
Because of an asset purchase agreement between the city and Burlington Telecom, the city needs to sell the building by 2034. If the city puts the building on the market before then, Burlington Telecom has right of first refusal. A price of just over $1.5 million has been agreed upon, and the deal is expected to close early next year. Councilors say they hope this will shed some light on the state of some city-owned properties and encourage preventative maintenance to Burlington's remaining assets.